In this lecture, I will discuss some exceptions that you may allow for your intermittent fasting strategy. So let's think of a possible situation. Say that you're following a similar strategy to mine, and you're doing IF plus ketosis with an IF feeding window of 6 hours and a fasting window of 18 hours. Your feeding window is in the first part of the day, and you only consume food between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Some friends invite you to dinner. It's on them. Your relationship with them is very important to you, and you don't want to refuse them, and you also don't want to go there and bid a guy or gal that only drinks water. The reservation at the restaurant is for 10 p.m. So what do you do in this situation? Well, obviously, you add an exception to your protocol. You go there, order some keto-friendly food, and enjoy your time with your friends. You do not have to rigidly stick to your protocol. And you might sneak in 1 or 2 glasses of red dry wine, which is very low in carbs, but more about that in a future lecture. Situations like this one may present themselves from time to time. You have to take them in and make sure they do not impact your long-term goals. For example, if you know you're gonna have a big dinner at the restaurant, you could skip the 10 a.m. breakfast and only eat your 3 p.m. meal. This way you're adopting a fail-safe protocol without even breaking your IF protocol. Now with this move, you've temporarily prolonged your fasting window for another 5 hours. Assuming you've not eaten since 4 p.m. yesterday, this means that when you eat today at 3 p.m., you fasted for 23 hours. And this would be a great workaround because you didn't break your protocol. You've improved it. And tomorrow you could simply resume your 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. feeding window. Hopefully this example gives you an idea about the fact that you should not rigidly stick to your protocol if social situations request your attention and attendance. Friends and family are very important. However, please do not make exceptions become the rule. Remember, there is a very thin line between the two. In our next lecture, we will discuss about feasting and fasting, or fasting and feasting, which is a strategy that should maximize your long-term adherence to this combination of protocols, the same way it did to me.